It is 2025 and we should all know how to install our locks. There are many different ways to install your locks, but this is my personal favorite. So what I do is I start braiding my natural hair from the root. I will braid down maybe 5, 6, 7 times. Then I will add the locks to the ending of the hair that is not braided. I'll take the locks out of my way and then I will finish braiding it to the end. Now I did give my hair a cut, so I didn't have any ends to braid all the way down to the end of my hair. I would advise you guys to braid all the way down with this hairstyle. I then push my crochet needle through my natural hair, and this is the kinky marley hair that you're gonna need to wrap to your natural hair to cover your hair and to secure the locks onto your hair. So what I do, I push the needle through my natural hair, I pull the hair through, and then I will find whatever position or whatever form it is for me that is easiest to wrap the hair around, and then I start wrapping from my natural hair all the way down to cover the crochet hair with my hair and just make it form in one. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys. So then I would wrap it down. I don't usually wrap it tight in the root of the hair. I would normally wrap only once, because when you get this hair tight, that's pretty much it. So that's how I install the locks to my hair. But for me, because I did my hair a little bit thin, because the purpose of this one, I wanted to wear it mostly in a bun, because I like to wear my locks in a bun, and it's a bit too thin, which I did want it thin and not heavy. I decided I want to add some curls to the end of my hair. Now I do have a more detailed video where I tell you guys how to install your locks and how to add the curls to the end of the locks. This is synthetic hair, this is not my human hair. So what I'll do is I'll grab the curly hair that I need and decide where on the end of the locks that I would want it. I would wrap the same kinky hair that I use on the root of my hair on the end of the curl with the locks. It's the same format. You just find however it is comfortable for you to wrap it around, however it is easiest for you to wrap it around, and you wrap like normal as you would wrap the roots of your hair. Now when you get to the bottom of the locks, the only thing you have to do is do a reverse method and bring the kinky hair upwards for more security if you have extra marley hair that is left. And that is how I add my curls. After that, you can see how it's looking. I think I have like 35 braids in total in my hair. I did part it medium. So I then take my mousse and I rub it on the ends of the curly hair. And this is 2 different colors here, by the way. This is 1B and number 2. I just wanted to have like a natural look with a little like color highlights in it. I then take my scissors to try and cut everything on one level as much as I could. But you know, whatever is on the other side is still going to be a little bit longer. And for all my edge girlies, I am not too dramatic on my edges, but I do like my baby hairs to be done. All my baby hair fans say hi. So I then go in with my edge control, and with a little bit of the mousse, I will be using it to form my edges. I've been trying to use the mousse lately to form my edges instead of the edge control, because I find it that a lot of these edge control leave like white residue in your hair, and I don't want that, because then your hair is just gonna look dirty. And then I'll just take my mousse and rub a generous amount of mousse throughout my hair. I just put it all over. I'm not careful with my mousse. I am very heavy-handed when it comes onto my mousse, because it just helps to bring your hair together and keep it flat, nice, and it keeps it looking neater. I then go in with my silk hair tie, and then I tie my hair. I tied for like 15-20 minutes. All I did was I took a shower and I got ready for the gym, so you guys will be seeing me in a change of clothes. So I tied my hair with my silk hair tie, and I tied also on the edges too to get everything together. So now that I am ready for the gym, I will just show you guys like a reveal of what the hair is looking like without any style. And look at that. Being cute on a budget should be our number one priority for 2025, because we will be going on those trips. And my hair got caught in my braiding rack because it's too tall. So normally for the gym I will just put my hair in a bun, so that's what I did. After the gym, I was trying to explain in the video that after the gym I will be putting accessories in my hair, because I love me my gold accessories. Go out and get your hair accessories. So this is the finished look, and this is what my hair is looking like. I love it. It's not heavy, it's very very light, and like I was telling you guys, it's a little bit thinner than I normally would. Listen, when you're younger you have all that neck support to hold up that heavy hair, but when you're getting older you need to make sure you secure your neck. I don't want nothing too heavy on my head, and I just wanted to have a cute nice hairstyle for like 3-4 weeks until I touch it up, and then I'll have it again for the next 2-4 weeks. And this is the finished look, guys, and I am telling you, I